Have you ever wondered why sneezing happens? It's like your body has a built-in alarm system triggered by irritants such as dust or pollen. When these unwelcome guests invade your nose, your brain lights up with a mission to clear them out, sending signals that activate your respiratory muscles. As you inhale deeply, your body prepares for action. The muscles contract, and in an explosive moment, air blasts out at nearly 100 miles per hour, carrying those pesky particles away. This powerful reflex acts as a shield, ensuring your airways stay clear and healthy. Sneezing not only serves a crucial purpose, but also brings a sense of relief afterwards, almost like a small victory. So the next time you let one out, remember, it's your body taking ultimate care of itself.